Hey， 大家好，欢迎来到区块先生的 Crypto 节目。今天我们有 Kelvin from Spartan Venture。这个interview 呢，我会用英文。那我们先让 Kelvin 来介绍一下 Spartan Venture。Yeah.
Hi. So Spartan was set about 5 years ago, and we have 3 businesses. We have our asset management business, which includes a hedge fund, a crypto hedge fund, and 2 venture funds. And we also have our advisory business that has advised some of the leading projects in the crypto space, including Blockstack, Solana, as well as Dapper Labs. And then we have Spartan Labs, which is our own sort of venture builder.
Got it. Thank you. And then, obviously we've seen kind of all the shenanigans that happened last year. What's your, focus this year? Is it DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse?
Yeah, I mean, we continue to invest actively in the space. So not just DeFi, as Chris mentioned, but also gaming. We're also making a lot of infrastructure-related investments because, everything in the Web3 space is still very new. And so we need a lot more infrastructure to support, all of these protocols and applications that are building in Web3.
Awesome. And then, what are 1 or 2 projects from your portfolio that you can share with us today that you're, super interested about it?
Yeah, sure. So we were one of the early investors in DYDX. And, DYDX, as is already a listed company. But we still think that DYDX is an attractive long-term investment simply because, if you look at the crypto space, obviously, there is a lot of trading activity, but most of the trading activity is still in spot rather than in derivatives. If you look at traditional financial markets, the volume of derivatives compared to spot is about 5 to 6x the spot volume. Right? In crypto, derivatives trading is still a small portion of spot. And so we think that exchanges like DYDX actually play an increasingly important role because of their focus on derivatives. But more importantly than that, because of what happened with FTX, which was one of the leading derivatives exchanges, and obviously that sort of went bust, there is obviously room for a project like DYDX to continue to take volumes and grow its user base.
Awesome. And, this year we see OpenAI, ChatGPT going crazy. What are some of your thoughts about AI? And then are you investing into any AI-related projects?
Yeah, no, I think AI is a fascinating, topic. And of course, there's a lot of technological developments there. And we see a lot of interest amongst users, but also a lot of developers now starting to focus on AI applications. We haven't made too many investments just because there are relatively few good projects in the crypto space that focuses on AI. But one of the investments that we made a few years ago is in this project called Alethea.ai, which is basically creating intelligent NFTs using AI and imbuing it into these NFTs so that they can actually interact, right, and not just be a static image. And so this is one example, but we believe there'll be a lot more AI sort of projects coming to the market given all the interest.
Got it. And then last question, a lot of our viewers, they're builders. We see a lot of Anon community. What are ways they can reach out to Spartan and get your attention, get your support?
Yeah, I mean, we are obviously very active in the ecosystem, and it's not difficult to find us. We have a website, and then we have our official sort of the Spartan Group Twitter account, so you can reach us across any of those channels, or you can also speak to mrblock, who is regularly interacting with us.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
然后，如果你今天在 YouTube 上看的话，请帮我订阅，然后把小铃铛点开，你就不会错过下一则。如果你觉得今天的直播你有学到新的东西，也帮我把影片给分享出去。区块现在的每日直播是每周一、每周三、每周五呢都会讲最新的区块链新闻，然后各种加密货币跟去中心化金融 DeFi。我们明天见，拜拜。